All you guys that live in New York are going to hate me for saying this and call me crazy. You do not need a North Face jacket in this city. I see so many people, especially you go to Soho, everyone and their mom has a North Face jacket. It's for fashion, it's not for necessity. It does not get nearly cold enough in this city. Tom, it gets way colder in January. Just wait till January. You're gonna regret what you just said. I spent the majority of January here last year. It does not get cold enough for a North Face jacket. That being said, it's still very nice and very comfortable, and I like the way it looks. So I'm gonna continue to wear a North Face jacket, and I fault no one for doing the same because they look awesome. Just don't tell me you need them to stay warm here.
Hey lady, I think it's time we had a talk. I mean, you know,
Oh, hey, we're back in New York again. First off, huge thank you to all of you wonderful people that purchased a mystery box yesterday. Mind blown. Mind blown on the support. Really appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't picked up your mystery box yet, they're on sale for the rest of today and tomorrow until middle of the evening. They're not on sale for that much longer, and they're probably gonna sell out before then. Small is almost sold out. Medium is almost sold out. 2XL is sold out, and 3XL is also sold out. So if you wanna grab one, link in the description, get them now. If you're wondering what's in them, everyone gets two beautiful, amazing shirts, especially this one. This one is amazing. Absolutely love this shirt. And then as a thank you to you guys being amazing, we have Travis Scott Air Forces, Travis Scott Jordans, we have Yeezy Aliens, we have Black Infrared 6s, we have New York Knicks 3s, we have Jordan 1 highs with Nike Air, and the brand new Yeezy 350 Yeez Reels. Yeez Reel, the new ones that came out yesterday. Or you can just hit the button in the top right hand corner of the screen to see everything that's in the box in yesterday's video. But thank you to you guys. As I said, you are the best. So, a couple of you guys messaged me yesterday, and I don't know if you're lying to me. You could very well be lying to me. But you guys told me that the Jordan 11 Breds were sitting at Nike on 23rd and 5th for some reason. I don't know if I believe. In fact, you know what? I don't believe you. My better judgment is telling me not to go because it's a waste of time to go and check. But at the same time, I can't help myself. We are going to check. There's no way the Bred 11s are sitting the day after release. Is there? I mean, that would just be, once again. Okay, you guys weren't really lying to me. Nike Fifth Avenue has a line of like 100 plus 200. I don't know. The line could go all the way downstairs for all I know. Point being, they have tons of Bred 11s left. Somehow, after release the day after, this is the greatest day of my life. I'm like 99% sure we're gonna get a pair, which is amazing. Do I need another pair? Not at all. Am I still going to buy it? 100%. I guess the one downside is that there is a line of 200 people, and I've been standing here for half an hour and we've moved 30 feet. We could be here a while.
For my ones, ain't no shame in me, saving me can wait. And you niggas there to take mine, trying what I chase in this. Devil in my waistline, got my stomach jammed. I'm out the door before you waste time supremacy. I'm cutting all ties, stand abrasive, hard to tell when my aunts on your die, so rape, try the club on my belly, do me well, me no harm, I prevail, so I'm rendering my time and getting shade.
I still stand by my statement. Easiest city to get sneakers in the world. They literally, this is not an exaggeration, Nike Fifth Avenue right here literally has thousands of pairs of these in the back room. Like, you could sort of see through the glass of the stock room. They just have piles and piles and piles and piles, and that's on top of the hundreds of people that bought them already. They're probably still gonna be sitting there like next week. This is amazing. I got my size 12. I am very excited.
Left my corner, how ashamed that you make me. I'm out your way, cause showing face ain't never changed me. I'm running late for father's sake, the one who made me.
I honestly couldn't tell you why there's 30 tables in this courtyard, and that one right there is the only one that has a no smoking sign. Can you smoke on the other 29 of them? Why is that one excluded specifically? These are questions I need answers to ASAP. Okay, it is ridiculously windy. I apologize. The table is shaking, thus the camera is shaking. I'm sorry. Pleasant little Sunday morning surprise, if you ask me, to be able to just waltz into Nike Fifth Avenue and grab a pair of these. So, cool things that I like about these that I didn't talk about yesterday. Nike box. This is cool because this is what originally came out in 1996. The box looked like this. It said just do it. It had a Nike thing. They didn't have like these specific Jordan boxes, which is something really, really cool. Then on the back it says engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world, which is a pretty cool guarantee and building specification, if you ask me. They should put this on their boxes nowadays too. I know lots of people were salty that it didn't come with the pull-out box with, you know, the shoe trees and the clear plastic with the 11 on it. I like that, it's cool, but it's been done for like 7 years in a row. It's nice to see a little bit of a change up and something different on these. Oh my goodness, how beautiful are these shoes? So I got them in my size 12, obviously. As I said, literally thousands of pairs there. If you're in New York, go to Nike Fifth, go to Nike Soho. I almost guarantee you that they still have pairs left when you're watching this video. These are gorgeous. I'm getting another pair that someone was nice enough to hook me up with an employee discount on. I think I'm probably picking them up later today or maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. But just to be able to pick up another pair, I couldn't really pass that opportunity up. These are beautiful. I needed a pair to put in the mystery box for next month anyways, so who knows? Probably not this pair. I want this to wear and appreciate and like just stare at and drool over. These are gorgeous. It's shoes like this. Like, I know they're not really hyped up. They don't really resell for anything, but it's just the whole backstory for me. Not even the Michael Jordan played in these and won a championship and won 72 games. My camera is being blown over by the wind. For me, the cool backstory for these is that when these came out, I was in high school just getting into sneakers. This is the first Jordan 11 release that I was really aware of and took part in and watched and observed. And I didn't get a pair. I didn't have money at the time, and I didn't know when they were releasing or how they were releasing or anything like that. But I still knew that they were releasing, and I really wanted them. And here I finally have them, and I am a happy guy. Okay, you remember my statement from earlier in the video, how I said you didn't need a North Face jacket in winter in New York? It's a little bit windy. I'm gonna put my hood up. I wish I had gloves. I still don't need a professional mountain climbing jacket when it's 52 degrees.
I'm running late for father's sake, the one who made me. I'm saying though, sure your theories ain't convincing. I rap because these symptoms don't help, and this love made me tremble myself. Love ain't enough, I'm keeping up with my health. Been more than humbling, but my father rather see for himself. I'm like, you did me foul, but I count you in. No doubt, just call a house, mama let you in.